Hi, my name is Heather Ford, and I am a traffic attorney out of New Orleans. And I just want to talk a little bit today about should you hire a traffic attorney? Isn't it expensive? Is it really worth the money? I would say if you have a simple speeding ticket where you weren't driving too fast, maybe 15 miles over, but not too much more than that. You're not dealing with a DUI or anything like that, but maybe a red light ticket, improper turn. If you're concerned about costs, don't just pay the ticket. You can go to court yourself and talk to the DA's office or the city attorney or about the matter, so you can try to get it reduced to a non-moving violation, or maybe even do like an Article 894. And the most important thing here is you want to keep these tickets off your record. They can really cost you a lot of money down the road, and it won't be immediately evident until you get your insurance renewal. And it's not uncommon to see people's insurance go up by thousands of dollars, and it might take up to 3 years for it to go back down. So if you have a situation like that where you're like, well, I'm going to be out of town, I have to work, I can't afford to take off, the job is not going to let me, can I really afford an attorney? And I can say for traffic tickets, normally the expense is pretty reasonable depending on the type of ticket you have. It's not a very, very expensive cost, particularly in relationship to what it could cost you in the future. So, it's the type of thing, if you have a question about it, if you're just wondering, what are my options, I'd be happy to tell you what I think. You can always shoot me a text at 504-233-8529. You can schedule a free strategy session at traffictickettalks.com, and I'd be happy to help. But be very wary about just paying tickets because, again, the consequences can often come up later. And mostly, for most people, it's going to be an increased insurance rates. But sometimes you get a job and all of a sudden they want you to drive as part of your duties, and they pull your record, and those tickets can really come back to bite you when you least expect it. So again, if you have any questions, happy to help. 504-233-8529. Shoot me a text, call me, or go to traffictickettalks.com. Thanks. Have a great day.